Hey everyone, my name is Romero, and this testimonial is for Eric Sturdivant. And Eric has been so helpful in helping me in my credit repair journey. Like typical entrepreneurs, when they first start out, it's very common to go into debt and to have, expenses for investing into a startup business and, not being educated on what the right things or what the right principles are with financing and stuff like that. So when I was a new entrepreneur, I went into major credit card debt. Like we're talking more than $50,000 worth in credit card debt. My credit score dropped so low. I mean, we're talking below 500s in the 400s. And it was a very emotional and stressful time. You feel like a bad human being because your credit is bad when it's, you shouldn't feel like that at all, but you just do because you're in this hole and you don't know how to get out and where to turn to. And that's where Eric came in my journey to wanting to repair my score and get it up to a fair level, in the 600s. And so it definitely took some time, but I can say that we achieved a 775 score all across the 3 bureaus as of the making of this video. And when I saw those numbers pop up on the screen, like I had tears rolling down my eyes because I was so happy because that's been the highest credit score I've ever had in my life, thanks to his help with just explaining the steps on the role of the credit bureaus, what I have to do, how to read my credit reports. And he was very clear along the way, and with the process and what I had to do step by step. So I would definitely recommend working with him. If you're thinking about working with him, don't hesitate. He's a very down-to-earth guy, nice guy, and so definitely you can be rest assured and have faith in his knowledge and what he does. So thank you, Eric, and good luck.